Now, when new development about Anambra State of which I want to introduce you na school system, do you understand me? Which you and I got like, do you understand? Because you may be a beneficial of it, but one wagon, but one uncle, more equal, more you begin in one way or the other. As far as in when I go up on Anambra State, na JSS, one of them may key benefit from this thing now. So the headline ever from Punch News also that an Anambra JSS students to learn robotic and the trade skill and others. Do you understand me? Now let me read it a little bit for you people. We say that now the Anambra state government has introduced 15 entrepreneurial subjects into junior secondary school across the state to boost the practical skill and entrepreneurial mindset of students. Some of the subjects introduced including solar installation, garment making, GSM repairs, agriculture and the processing, plumbing, tiling, POP installation, event management, bakery, hairstyling, makeup, and interior design, CCT, intercom and installation, and digital literacy, IT and robotic, among others. Now, we see that now speaking during the introduction of the subject in Igwebike Grammar School, Oka, on Friday, the chairman of the Post-Primary Schools Service Commission, Prof. Nkechi Ikedu, said the aim is to prepare the students not just for the theoretical aspect of the learning, but also for the practical ways of creating value for themselves. When I know now, so this is really a welcome development. So Obozo Gafo, the kai go also the medical in no practical. They understand me. So if you get na you would if I can be fight no society at least onye gụchaa akwụkwọ pụta onwe nke o ji aka ọ bụrụ ekpuru certificate na-akpagharị. Ị na-ama m ịghọta ife a na-ekwu na onye ọbụla kịta ji this kind of skill kịta wee gụchaa akwụkwọ pụta, the chances onye ahụ survive dị very very high. Ị na-aghọta? Mana ị mana most of us oge anyị na-agụ akwụkwọ there is no practical, ọzọ si ije na-anya na bọọdụ na-akọpị note. Do you understand me? After sit and done, okwu ihe ederede ka ị ga-eji wee pass exam. So ekene dele nna ya ukwu bụ the God of Anambra State bụ Charlie Nwamgbafọ ya na-aga anyị na-afụ nke ị na-eme nwekwe nke adịrọ mma ifu anyị ekwukwa na ọ dịrọ mma mana nke a